Worthy Wise, Level 5, Lesson 13. Passage. Beware the silent crocodile. Crocodiles are the largest and most ferocious of all reptiles. They live in swampy areas, close to the banks of tropical rivers or lakes. They've been around since the age of the dinosaurs. Back then, they reached lengths of 30 feet or more. The crocodile of today, however, is much smaller than its ancient ancestors. It seldom grows longer than 15 feet from its head to the tip of its long, tapering tail. Crocodiles in the wild are almost unknown in North America. A few can be found in the remaining tidal marshes of the Everglades and the Florida Keys. There they might be mistaken for alligators. They're close relatives. Crocodiles and alligators resemble each other in many ways. There are clear differences between them, however. The crocodile is the more aggressive of the two. It also has a longer and narrower snout, and the fourth tooth on each side of its jaw protrudes. That tooth remains in view even when its mouth is closed. A crocodile in the water lies almost entirely concealed below the surface. Only its eyes and nostrils are visible. It can stay like this for hours, its eyes fixed on the water's edge, waiting for a thirsty animal to come to drink. Dun, dun, dun. When this happens, the crocodile is careful not to scare away its prey. It disappears beneath the surface, swimming slowly toward the unsuspecting animal. It makes not even the slightest ripple. If the thirsty animal is lucky, it senses the danger in time and escapes. If the crocodile is lucky, it seizes the animal in its jaws, knocks it off balance by flailing its powerful tail, and drags it into the water. There, the creature drowns. The crocodile then finds a place where it can gorge on the dead animal without being disturbed. When it has eaten its fill, it will hide the remains of the carcass. Then it will return to feed on it later. When not hunting for food, the crocodile spends much of its time on land. Its belly almost touches the ground as it slithers from the water and finds a comfortable spot to bask in the sun. Like other reptiles, the crocodile is a cold-blooded animal. Therefore, its temperature changes with its surroundings. To escape the extreme heat of midday, it burrows into the soft ground with its sharp claws until it has made a hole large enough to accommodate itself. In the cool of the evening, its temperature drops and its movements become sluggish. There are several different kinds of crocodile. The best known is the Nile Crocodile of Africa, which has an unusual companion called the Crocodile Bird. This daring little creature feeds by hopping inside the crocodile's mouth and picking morsels of meat from its teeth. The crocodile shows its gratitude for having its teeth cleaned in this way by not eating the bird.